Okay, so we got these lowering links for the DRZ400. Just going to take a look at these. Let me get a little more light here. And there's one. Oh, these are kind of nice. They have a metal insert here. There we go. Right here. You can see that's a little longer. Or like that. There'll be one on each side, here and here. Okay. So, let's get the bike off the ground. Okay, so the suspension's unweighted. All right. This looks easy enough. Now I have a 17. Yep. Okay. Ooh, doggy. It's tight. All right. Okay. That's one. I think I'll make this a little easier. Breaker bar. This is going to give us a lot more leverage. Pop that on. Put that on there. All right. Okay, that's the two nuts. And I'm guessing this is... Oh! Wow! Okay. Okay. Oh! There it goes. And, oh! That's fun. I want that bolt to come out of there. Over the chain. There! Simple. Now this is stuck on there. Let's see. Let's take a look. Oh, yep. It's stuck on there. Oh. See that? Okay. And yeah, this one's got them too. So what I might do is take all this apart. Maybe lube this. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Keep those washers. So let's make sure we got all the... So there's a recess there. Looks like where the washer goes. That was side 2. There it is. There's 4. Okay. So we're going to clean this up and we'll get ready to put the new one in. Okay, we got all our bolts and washers and sleeves all cleaned up. I want to compare the old ones and the new ones. Now obviously the new ones are a little longer, that's for the lowering. But we're just checking the width here and that appears to be correct. So also the metal side here of the insert goes on the inside. So this one will go this way and this one will go that way. And there's a washer. One of these washers goes on either side. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little extra grease in there and clean up the outside here so this is ready to accept the new linkage. Now you can see we got this all cleaned up here. This looking pretty good. So I'm just going to pump a little grease in here and spread it around with my fingers. That side. Just get it in there. this one. Okay. And we're going to do this on both sides. All right, now we're on the other side. So we're going to just pump some grease in here too. And in here. Okay. And we'll spread that around. Finger. That in there. Good. That one. Okay. Okay. Okay, so here are the sleeves. These are going to go in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a little grease and put it around the outside of those. So we'll take this one. Just wipe it off, make sure there's no dirt. And now we're going to put grease on this. Look, my thumb. Okay, and we'll slide that in there. Like that. There we go. And we'll do the same to the other side, the other one. The other one. Just wipe it off, make sure it's clean. And then we'll put grease on that too. Like that. And we'll slide that one in. There we go. Okay, now you kind of want to get that in the center. Just feel on both sides. Okay. Now, take one of these, and we'll put the front on first. Put the front on first, because when we put the back on, see, it's not going to be lined up, so we're going to have to lift the rear wheel so that we can get that right amount of extension there. So I'm going to take one of these bolts here, and I'm going to put grease on the shaft here. Don't get it on the thread, just the shaft. Okay. The link, and we're gonna put that front part in. And we're gonna take one of these washers, because the washer goes here and here. And I get a little grease, so we're gonna grease this. Grease this guy here. And we may be able to just set them up in there like that. See that? A little bit of grease on there is going to hold it. And then we're going to take the link and we're just going to slide it on in. Boop. Just like that. Then we have the other link for the other side. I'm going to take one of these washers. Get a little grease. I'm going to put some grease on there. So it's got some lubricant on it. Then we're going to put that on the other side. And that should stay. And it did. Wipe off our fingers a bit. Okay. Then we're going to take the other link and we're going to put it on here. Like that. And then we'll take one of the nuts. Nut. See the nut? Okay. It will just start that on the other side. Okay. Get the washer. I get a little bit of grease on there like that. Okay. Then same thing. We're going to set it up there. Get it to stay in. There we go. Now, I'm going to get the other bolt. There's the other bolt. And what are we going to do? Don't forget, a little bit of grease on here too. Okay. So that's got some lube on it. Oh, and we dropped it. Okay. And then this is where it's going to get a little bit tricky. So I'm going to try to put this bolt in at the same time I'm lifting this back wheel. So here goes nothing. Okay, it didn't work the first time. We'll try one more time. Here we go. Okay, I'll put that up there. There we go. Well, okay. All right. There we go. Now, we're going to get the last washer. We can get it here. Okay, last washer. Put a little grease on it. It's kind of a lot. And we're going to set it up in here. Like that. There we go. And then we're going to take this nut off the back here. There we go. So we can slide that off. Now we can put this one on. Just gotta take some of the, there we go. And put the nut on. There. I'll get the other nut. Put it on there. And voila! Now what we're going to do is we're going to tighten down these two nuts. Let's make sure we get them tightened down. And basically we should be done. So that's it. Installing the DRZ. This is a 400S, 2008.